come and take the bread and feed it. Okay. You put in a hand, not eat you, bacha. This is a herbivore's animal. Sunny, take the bread. Hold in your hand.
Because she looks like she's getting ready to.
Oh, she is not hungry. Why are you taking your hand away? See, hold in your hand, bacha, it'll eat. Sunny, put in a hand and offer him. Yeah, it'll eat. Yes. Put in your hand. Yes, like that. Like Sunny is putting. Very good. See, don't be so scared, babu. You say Henry will love him and see how nice Didi is feeding. Didi is so brave. Wow, Sunny, you're so brave, baby. Okay, cassowary has very sharp big duck. Oh, see, very good, Sia. Yes, Sunny. Goose, eat it. Yeah, the birds will pick up. The pigeon will pick up what is on the floor. More. You have to finish the packet. I think they are not hungry. Oh, yes, he was eating. Yeah, put your hand for her. She was eating. This one is very hungry.
I told you I'm brave.
You're brave. Okay, I'm very proud of you, Sia. Feed the goosey goosey. Goosey goosey gander. Uh-oh. Eat goosey. Eat goosey. Oh, Sanvi, you're so brave. It's not able to pick up. It's not able to pick up. You have to put the pointed edge a little. Yeah. Can they? They're not able to eat. He's not upset. He could not. Sanvi, he loves you. See, he's taking from your hand. His tummy is full. See, did she eat? Oh, he ate. Oh, he also ate more. He's always hungry. Oh, yeah, she ate from Sia's hand. I think her tummy is full. Sunny can go feed the other goosey. So don't be so close. Maybe his tummy is full. No, he doesn't want. You want to feed the other goosey?
I just see one. He can pick it up if he wants.
No, the pigeon will eat. I think the tummy is full, babe. Oh. Which one? There's another. There's only 3 goose. Okay, let's feed the peacocks and everything. Okay, let's feed the turkeys, Anvisia. Let's feed the turkey now. Okay. The turkey. Yes, the turkey is eating. Turkey is hungry. Sunny, take.
That's breaking into pieces.
Oh, see how turkey is eating.
I told you I'm very big. Get me another pack, but no.
See, and do not feed turkey in your hand, bacha.
I told you buy me more pictures.
Okay. Turkey.
Buddies are eating.
Did you see turkey? The pigeons will eat whatever leftover is there.
Can I feed the pigeon?
But yeah, feed the pigeons. Just go feed the pigeons. Sunny, take last one, bacha. Feed the pigeons. Don't scare them out, baby. Just stand and feed them. Don't run near the pigeons.
Can they eat from my hand?
No, pigeons will not. They cannot fly away. They will not trust you. Sunny, let her take. Sunny, let her take. It's okay. Okay, see, take little. Take little.
Let's put it there. Then all of it, they'll have all the food they want. Showing them away.
Yeah, feed the pigeons.
This is
Sunny, empty कर दो इस पैकेट को बेटा. Done. See, did you, Sunny, did you give the empty pack?
I had